Life is unpredictable, and sometimes cleaning is the last thing on your mind. But fear not, Dallas. Limpiar is here to rescue you from the chaos of last-minute cleaning. Imagine unexpected guests are on their way, and your home is anything but guest-ready. Limpiar understands the urgency of these situations. Need to panic or stress about cleaning up in record time. Limpiar specializes in providing quick and efficient cleaning services tailored to your last-minute needs. Getting your home cleaned at the last minute is as easy as tapping your smartphone. Just download the Limpiar app and schedule a cleaning in minutes. Our dedicated team of professional cleaners is ready to tackle any mess. They arrive promptly and armed with the best cleaning supplies to leave your home spotless. Limpiar works swiftly and thoroughly, ensuring every corner is clean to perfection. We pride ourselves on delivering quality service, even in the tightest of schedules. Picture this: your guests arrive to a clean, welcoming home. Thanks to Limpiar, you can enjoy their company stress-free, knowing your space is in tip-top shape. Don't let last-minute cleaning emergencies ruin your plans. Limpiar is your go-to solution for quick and reliable cleaning services in Dallas. Download our app or visit our website to schedule your last-minute cleaning today.